Hello, my lovelies. Echo Queen here. Getting into some house flipper this morning. Pardon me in advance. I know my brain's always kind of bleh anyways, but I didn't sleep at all last night. And I don't know why. I just didn't. So I am super overtired. And yeah. And I haven't taken my medicine yet, so I'm up super early recording. I do have my latte at the very least, so we at least got that going for us. Look how good this fucking hammy room looks. And guinea pig room. I can't wait to fill all these up with freaking animals. Ugh. Ugh. How did I not notice that I did that? That's disappointing. So... Okay. My brain is just like, wait, what? What are we even doing now? Okay. So that just looks silly, so we're not gonna do that. Okay. Then we'll build it. Sorry, my cat just moved and it distracted me. So this is in the middle. That's 3 and 3. Come on. You know what that means? The door would have to be touching over there. I don't really want that. Okay. I don't know why I feel so adamant about the fact that there's a hallway there, but I really want a hallway there. This opens up the birdie room a little bit. You know what I didn't think about with the birds? I gotta put this shit back down again after I paint it. Or is this painted? Did we paint that wall? We couldn't. We couldn't have. I don't know what the fuck I'm even thinking. Okay. Hallway. Do I want to put another one of these in or an actual door? I think I want an actual door. 1x2. Interior. We did blackwood. Blackwood. Sunny yellow. Okay. Brilliant. So I've been having visions in my head about what I want. Ah, so cute. What I want this room to look like. And I think for the walls, okay, let me just pick it out and show you. I want colors of fucking, what are the, like toucans or whatever? Not toucans, that's stupid. Not a parakeet. Somebody will know, I know somebody will know what it is, and you guys will be screaming at thinking I'm a fucking idiot for not being able to think of what it is. But the ones in the jungle that are colorful, those are the ones I'm thinking of. And I want to paint the walls with those kind of those colors. Okay, and then I need a good blue. We'll do this one. You see it? You see what I'm thinking? Ugh, I hate that we have to get rid of this right now and then try to put it back in. Alright. Well, at least we know what we're putting in here. I don't know how much room we're going to have for anything else. How many walls is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 8. Yeah, should be the exact middle. 2, 1, 2. now it looks just like McDonald's, but we're gonna add the other colors so it's not McDonald's. Parrots. Jesus Christ. Parrots. That's the word that it just took my brain that long to think of. Parrots. Ugh, okay. I knew it was something so simple and easy too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paint, get out of my way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, nope, I want this one. 2, 3, 4. Okay. I think I got this down right. This big block back here is like not even going to be seen. That's more just for us to know that it looks pretty. So these ones coming out on the sides, I don't mind having being kind of a crazy pattern as well, because you can't see the crazy pattern behind the birds thing. Come on. Then somebody has to let me know in comments. Alicia, my dears, let me know. Do I just go to the Morgan guy and I can just buy all these different pets because I have enclosures for them? I assume so, but I'm not sure. I haven't tried. I haven't tried to buy any other pets besides the cat and the dog. Or adopt. Okay, a little circusy. You all were probably thinking that the whole time. What if I did... Okay, so bear with me. What color are they usually? Like this color? Like this color? That color? I can't think of what color parrots are. Like a darker, not dark blue, but not any of these blues. I kind of like this blue. I feel like I want different colors on these other walls, but ones that still kind of make sense. Maybe that with that. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I really should have taken my medicine before I started recording. Okay. No, I hate that. Okay. Good to know. What about you? Okay, you know what? I actually don't mind that for some reason. Because the other walls are so busy, I'm definitely not gonna do much on these other walls. I'm just gonna paint it this color. I'm obviously gonna paint the inside of the windows a different color. God damn it. For Christ's sake. But I don't like how close that blue is to the other blue. So I feel like I need to get maybe like this blue. No, I did buy. Yeah, okay. I don't know why I like these colors all together, because it's kind of a hot amalgam mess. But it's kind of coming together in my brain. I can kind of see it. Okay. What are we gonna do for the floor? We need something that goes with these bright ass colors and something that is also snazzies. These gray ones might look kind of nice. might use it in just like this part. It does perfectly stop on a square. And then if I did that, I could stick this here. And that chunk a different color. That's stupid. What am I thinking? I'm not in love with it. I am not in love. What about these gray ones? Are you brighter? Oh, you son of a... Oh, okay. You actually are brighter. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I like that way better. Close that stupid fucking door. Alright, birdies, come back. Pets, small pets, bird. Did we have to replace it anyways, or did I already replace it? Oh, shite. I think I want cream on that. Come on, stop clicking when you're not supposed to. It was perfect before. It was perfect. Ugh. This crack's bigger. This looks like goddamn McDonald's play place. What have I done? What have I fucking done in here? I don't know. I don't know. We're just gonna... That's what I wanted. That's what we're gonna say. Blue? Green? Kind of thinking that with the beige, because beige is kind of like the sunny yellow. Come on. Guys, you know what I completely forgot to do that I was like, hey, you know what I'm gonna do before I go on? Look up pictures of motherfucking parrots. And yeah. My memory fails me yet again. I wonder if a table will fit in between this. Ooh, mama. Whoa, 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 whoa. Open this fucking windowsill. I don't particularly mind that. I think maybe this is the best view of the bird room. We'll put the parrot picture up here. I'm genuinely annoyed with myself that I have to go look for a parrot picture right now. Alright, let me go Peaksy Pie. Come on, Microsoft Edge. Open up, baby. Parrot art. Parrot. I can't believe I couldn't think of the word parrot for that long. Come on, open up. I love my laptop and computer, whatever, but when you go into games, it optimizes the computer, so it shuts down a bunch of processes, so it runs better, and it makes everything else run like dookie when I'm trying to play game and balance it with anything. Alright, parrot art. Images. Yeah, this is the bird I was thinking of. Okay, okay. They got some interesting ones. Ooh, mama like this one. Hopefully this works. Yeah, it's saving it as a JPEG. So I believe that should work. I think the other ones the other day that I was trying to get to work that wouldn't work because it was saving in some other format that I am not sure what it was. I want this picture too. A really bright parrot. Do 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 do. Okay. And then. So that's sort of a long one. I was trying to find one that was wide and one that's tall. Ooh. Okay. For real, this is going to be the last one. I got 3. I got 3 good ones to put in there. Alright. Now, back into the game. Gallery. Add photo. Wait for the thing to pop up. Go to my pictures. Try to remember what I named them. Parrot. Makes sense. So there's 1. There's 2. And then... There's 3. Okay. Look at how cute those are! And they're so bright and pretty. Alright, hang on. So, this is the one I originally saw that I loved. Come on, great painting. Oh. Okay. I want a frame. I want it hanging. Fill. I don't know what that means. Maybe that's like the... Oh, look at how good that looks. I want it bigger. Bigger. Oh, you fucking tit sucker. Oh, my motherfucking back. Okay. Oh, shit. That's huge. Okay, you know what? We don't need a frame. We're good. Alright. Then I do painting, sticker, frame. Let me just do painting. How big are you? Look at how fucking cool that looks in this goddamn room, though. Tell me that's not amazing. Go ahead and try. I'll wait. Oh. Why are you so tiny? Okay. And here's this last one. We will remember to put a frame on this one. Oh, and this is a perfect square. Interesting. Okay. Frame, hanging. What size did I just make that? I want it bigger than that. That was 4 or 5? Question mark. Okay. No, I want the frame. Oh my god. Okay, frame. Hanging. 75. Yeah. Ooh. Look. Oh, okay. I'm like giddy about this room, and I don't even fucking like birds. Oh, see the parrots. What color? Oh, we already did the fish that color, so maybe. think I want bigger. And then that was large, large, and in charge. Is that even? I feel like this maybe needs to go up one. Is that good? It's so hard to tell with these walls all crazy too. I want to stick some... Do they have any more birdies? Or are those... No, only ones. Okay. Small... I want to do... Oh my god, wait. Wait. Brain blast. Brain blast. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Dark blue. Purple. Ah, look how cute! Oh my god. Okay, we need lights for the fucking ceiling before I get way too distracted and sucked into how much I am loving the brightness of this room. I think I want that in dark gray. Ah, shit. That's too close. Alright, that's decent. Light switches, this, white, gold. Ooh. Fuck. Look how good that motherfucking painting looks. Freaking beautiful. And that. I love it. Actually, I want to move it over slightly or it's going to drive me a little crazy. Yeah, that's pretty much even. I don't even know if I want those on there anymore. Okay, I want something on this table. Did we use our begonias yet? Do 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 do. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh, you fucking son of a skunk. Okay. And then I want... This is interesting. Okay. And it's a little large and in charge. Oh, cute. I feel like there should be some sort of rug just to like finish off the whole look of the room. Can we stick this stupid thing somewhere? It's got bird snacks in it. There you go. I don't know why I feel the need to use it, but I feel compelled to use it in some way. I've seen it too many times and not. Remind me, my office. I need to do panels. Ow. Hopefully I didn't just fuck that up too much. Let's see. Yeah, looks okay. See, we finally got the M&M pictures hung back up here. Ooh, snazzy. Yeah, our house is coming along. It's nice. I fucking love having our own place. What makes me think of a jungle? Bernice's round carpet. So does that mean that I have way too many lights going on right now? Is that why that looks like doo-doo? Is that why? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so I skipped this size. Okay, yeah, so there is too many lights in here. 1, 2. There we go. Okay. Alright. There. What do you guys think? It came out better than I had envisioned in my head. I love the fucking bright colors. I love the inspiration of the parrot for the walls. See, I tried to match the blue that the parrots are with the blue that I put down mixed with like a bit of teal that's in them and stuff. Yeah, super cute. I love how this came out. Where are we at on time? 27. Oh my god. Okay, so that one took a little longer than I wanted. The next one is what? Turtles. Turtles. What is it? Just turtles? Let me go look. What are you? Turtle and fish. Okay. And we still got to do that little hallway at some point. But for right now, I'm going to end this one before it gets too much longer. I can't decide if I'm going to do more videos or not. I'm hurting my ass sitting on the floor recording right now. But I wanted to record for you guys. It's been too all over the place. I want to do at least a couple recordings a week, no matter what's going on. So, I love you all. Thank you for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.